Howdy y'all! Today we'll be making some simple chocolate chip cookies from scratch. To start, you'll need 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and about 3 sticks of butter. Once everything is added in, cream the mixture for about 2 minutes on a medium speed in the stand mixer. For those using hand mixers, the speed should be set to about 4. Once the 2 minutes are up, bring the stand mixer down to a lower speed of about medium-low, or for the hand mixers, 2 or 3. Then add in 2 large eggs. Room temperature is preferred but is not required for this recipe. Mix on that low speed until the eggs are fully incorporated. After the eggs are fully combined, add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix until fully combined on the same low speed. Here, you're going to add in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups of bread flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg into a sifter. Though the cinnamon and nutmeg steps are optional, I recommend adding them as it adds more flavor to the overall dessert. Sift the dry ingredients into a small bowl and set aside to use for later. In the recording, you'll see me adding all the dry ingredients into the mixture at once. Then let it be combined on stir in the stand mixer. While this approach isn't technically wrong, it does create a bigger mess. I recommend you to stir in the dry ingredients by hand until mostly combined, then put it back into your mixer of choice at the lowest setting. Doing this produces the same results and has the added bonus of not dirtying up the kitchen. Just don't forget to put the bowl back into its mixed position like I did. After the dry ingredients have fully merged with the wet, the dough will be ready for rolling. It should have a slight stick to it, but not enough to leave traces on your hand, like this. You can take the girl out of the pun, but you can't take the pun out of the girl. Anyways, this is the easiest step in the recipe so far. Just add in as much chocolate chips, or any topping really, as you want. Personally, 1 10-ounce bag of Ghirardelli Sweetly Sweet chocolate chips is all I need, but go wild. Now it's time to prepare the cookies for baking. For the size, I like to use a small ice cream scooper, but a tablespoon should work just as well. Space them out evenly so they won't unite and become a giant cookie monster. After that, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 178 degrees Celsius, and wait for it to heat up. Let the freshly baked cookies rest on a baking sheet for a good 2 to 3 minutes before moving it to a cooling rack. Now it's time for the most important step of them all, enjoying them. Hope you'll have a wonderful morning, evening, and night. Until next time.